7 Pro Teardown Repair Guide. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that may occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, Phillips screwdriver, playing cards. Power down the 2017 Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. Eject the SIM card and microSD card tray and second SIM card tray from the side of the phone. The 5.5-inch Galaxy J7 Prime display assembly is glued on solidly. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use a precision knife to create enough space to insert a playing card. With the playing card, slice through the sticky adhesive and carefully decouple the Galaxy J7 Prime screen from the phone. The Super AMOLED display assembly is still connected to the phone, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the bracket that covers the display cable. Detach the cable from the motherboard and free the Galaxy J7 Pro display assembly. Remove the following 17 Phillips screws. The Galaxy J7 Pro mid-frame is secured by snug, press-fit notches. Use the triangle opening tool to release the clips and separate it from the rear enclosure. The next two components extracted are ribbon cables that contain the power button switch and volume button switches. The Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro power and volume button covers are nuzzled securely in the rear case, defying conventional removal. Starting with the battery, detach the two cables from the motherboard. Remove the following two Phillips screws. Carefully lift out the Galaxy J7 Pro motherboard. Remove the impressive 13-megapixel Galaxy J7 Pro front-facing selfie camera. Detach the 13-megapixel Galaxy J7 Pro rear camera from the motherboard. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws and then tweeze out the loudspeaker. Pry the spring contact connected Galaxy J7 Pro earpiece speaker up from the chassis. Pluck out the vibrator. Pry the Galaxy J7 Pro home button and fingerprint scanner up from the midframe. Pop out the capacitive sensors for the bottom buttons. A good amount of adhesive secures the 3600 mAh Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro battery to the midframe. With help from the triangle opening tool, we'll free it from the adhesive.